So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing Fortnite map name not showing error problem, so guys watch this video till end and your Fortnite is not working properly. So guys watch this video till end and follow the solution. And if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now restart Fortnite and your device. Close Fortnite completely and relaunch it. Restart your PC console or router to refresh connections. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and wired Ethernet. Restart your router. Verify game files. Epic Games Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library, click the three dots under Fortnite. Select Verify to check for corrupted files. Steam. Right click Fortnite properties and installed files. Click verify integrity of game files. Update Fortnite and your device. Ensure Fortnite is updated. Check for your patches. Update your graphic drivers, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Update your console system software. I hope this helps you or wait for some time.